You are going to love the 2022 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, luggage rack, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.